Okay guys, so today we're gonna make a small video about Santurantikuy. So this is very traditional. Every 24th of December we're doing this festival, but on the main square. But now with this pandemic time, so we're gonna do it in separate places. So now we're gonna see how gonna buy these kind of plants for make our Nacimiento of the Jesus Christ. So guys, let's enjoy with us this adventure with me. So actually guys, this is a small area, so where you can appreciate all the kinds the plants over here. So we're going straight, so then we come back around over here. We're gonna see all over. Beatriz family. So in this place, so we're gonna buy all the Jesus beer to make. So with natural plants. So those people coming from the mountains, we're gonna help to there to buy all these kind of plants. And every family is coming to here to buy it. So. So they buy it in the grass. So ¿cuánto es el montón? Like this one packet is cost only $1.
Amiga, ¿cuánto está tu espino?
So this is a house for the birthday. In the middle going the Jesus Christ. So we are looking for a small one for us. ¿Cuánto está la casa grande? Está. ¿Esto va a ser nuestra casa?
Esto va a ser nuestra casa, Cursi, ¿no?
That's gonna be our house to make over here. So.
Así, ¿no, mami?
¿Cuántas está, mami, las ramitas? No reniegues, mamá. Uno más largo.
Uno más largo.
Un larguero más. Ahí está, el más la encontré largo. Ahí está más rebusqueado. Está bien.
Este, ¿no?
Sobrado.
Mami, ¿dónde te pasa?
So guys, so we are going to buy all our stuff. So here is very full now, busy. So most people is gonna buy it. So we're trying to help or the Indian persons. This is our other house. A tree. Yes, ¿cómo se llama, pe amor? Esa.
Raki, creo.
Raki, Raki.
¿Es grande, mamá? Sí.
¿Un solcito?
Sí, mamá.
Un solcito más. ¿No tienes un sol más?
Mamá. No, está bien. Todavía no justo porque no es muy grande, ya también se dobla. No, se marchita rápido, ya no se levanta. Ya.
Un sol más, papá. Con la yapa, pero casero. Acá me atrás.
¿Dónde vive la tía? La Zulita dice bastante. ¿Ves? ¿Sí? Sí.
So guys, we are almost done for all our stuff. We're gonna buy it. So almost finished.
¿Cuántos puntitos?
Un sol, 50 céntimos, 2 soles.
Está chisteando dos.
2 soles.
¿Cuánto es eso?
2 soles.
¿Tan chiquitín? Es tierra negrita dentro. Sí, es como que uno. Mira, será mi
Ah, tú.
igualito.
¿Qué cosa? So we buy it other kind of grass more. So guys, we buy all our stuff. So now we're gonna leave from here. So for to make our birthday beer of Jesus Christ. So guys. So this is a natural plant we see over here. So we had to are in my mother-in-law house. So guys, it's finished. All the with the plants and the animals. So over here is Jose and Maria. Right here is Maria. So this is how it looks. and 24 at the night we're gonna put it here for 25 the Jesus Christ over there. This is so traditional. So guys, this is how all traditional. So this is about Catholic and mostly with the Andean. So that means Santurantikuy. It means to buy the Jesus Christ and to build in every houses here in Cusco, Peru. So, and this is with the plants we buy it, we getting. So this is all the grass and all over. So, see you guys. Thank you for seeing my video. This is Cyrus from Cusco, Peru. Okay guys, hello. This is Cyrus from Cusco. So I want to say to everybody, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And thank you so much for supporting me. So thank you for following me in YouTube and all over.